Hello everyone, today I will show you how money transfers work with Tremendous. First, it is important to understand one key rule. You cannot directly transfer money from a physical or virtual Tremendous prepaid card to your bank account. Now let's talk about situations where a bank transfer is possible. If your Tremendous reward was issued as a monetary reward with a bank transfer option, you will receive an email from rewards@reward.tremendous.com. Inside that email is a reward link. When you open the link, you can choose bank transfer instead of a prepaid card. After selecting bank transfer, you enter your bank details, including routing number and account number. Once submitted, the funds are sent directly to your bank. Another option applies if you have money stored in your Tremendous account balance. This usually applies to businesses or users who have pre-funded accounts or earned balance. To withdraw this money, log into your Tremendous account. Go to the Billing Balance or Account Balance section. Click the three dots and choose Initiate Withdrawal. Add a new bank account or select one you already linked. Enter the amount you want to withdraw and confirm. The funds leave Tremendous right away, but it usually takes 2 to 4 business days to show up in your bank. Thanks for watching.